In order to do a typical apple cider vinegar rinse, you would start out with lime juice and then add in some baking soda and then add in the apple cider vinegar and then stir it together with some water, and then you would just start dunking your head into the mix in order to detox your dreadlocks. An ACV rinse not only cleans your locks, but it returns your scalp to its normal pH balance so that your hair can grow properly.
I feel like I haven't showered in a long time.
You no longer have to mix all these ingredients in order to do a detox on your locks. Just like me, I'm going to be using the Great Locks ACV shampoo, and this is a one-step process. Instead of mixing all these ingredients together to detox your locks, the ACV shampoo is an all-in-one product. It has all the components of an ACV rinse, but with this, you simply wash, rinse, and repeat, and you're done. So today I'm going to show you how big of a difference it makes when you detox your hair with an ACV shampoo.
Alright, I want to show you guys what my hair looks like right now, but it does need to be washed, that's for sure. So let me show you guys what I'm working with right here. Before I wash my hair, I'm actually going to be giving myself a fade. Look at all this. You can make a burrito and a taco with this. So, let's do it. So I want to show you guys really quickly what the hair looks like without the lineup. I'm telling you, the lineup makes all the difference. You can just see where my natural hairline is. About to do the lineup right after this, and you guys are gonna see the before and after. This is before. This is the after of the lineup, and I can always go back in and fill it in if I wanted to. But you see how much of a difference this makes compared to how it looked before? This is the after. And how everything looked light before, now with the lineup, makes it look darker because it gives it a dark edge. Now let me know, 1 through 10, how was my fade? Let's go shower now. So first things first, let's talk about water temperature. You can wash your hair in hot or cold water. Today I'm gonna be using warm. All right, the water is perfect temperature. All right, I'm gonna start by saturating all the hair with water. We're gonna do our first wash on the hair. I typically do 3 washes. I'll do the first wash to kind of just get all the oils out, and then the second wash gets out the oils as well. But think of it this way. First one is to get all the oils off your scalp. Second wash is to get all the oils out of your hair. The third wash is to get all your hair clean. You'll notice the difference based on how much suds the hair makes and how much it lathers. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. Get it onto your hands, don't lather it on your hands. You're gonna lather it into your hair. because the whole point is to get it on your hair and then work it throughout your hair. And if you notice, nothing is lathering up. And that's because my hair is extremely oily. You want to go with the pads of your fingers and just go onto your scalp like this. When it comes to washing the length of the hair, I like to just get it all bundled together and then rub it like this with the scalp. Because what that does is it works the shampoo off of the scalp onto the locks. So now we're ready for our first rinse, so let's rinse it out. Always squeeze everything out with the hand. Just like that. So the first rinse, complete. Time for a second wash. My thoughts on the shampoo so far, it's very cooling and very soothing. Because this is a clarifier and a detoxifier. Alright guys, second rinse. And what this is doing as well, with you rubbing all your dreadlocks together, it's allowing the hair to lock even better than before. Because you're putting it in new positions. But as you can see, as the water is dripping, it's like you can see all the dirt and the oils coming out of the hair, which is good. You're gonna make sure that the shampoo gets washed out. That's something that a lot of people miss. Alright guys, time for the third wash. This one I'm gonna focus on the length of the hair. Guys, that is the mission complete with washing. I'm just gonna do my last rinse. And I would highly recommend just keep washing your hair until it lathers up. Like me, I think I haven't washed my hair in about, realistically, since I did the 2-strand twist, so I would say close to 3 months. But I'm gonna do my last rinse and I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like afterward. Hair is washed. I'm glad. I feel like it's longer, by the way. You guys wanna see it? Look at that. Whew. So let me show you the afters of the shower. It's very clean. I love that shampoo. I feel detox, like as if I just did my own ACV rinse with apple cider, vinegar, lime, water. I got it all in a bottle. And you guys can actually order it right now. It's very limited stock. So if you need the ACV rinse shampoo, it is down below. I'm really excited. It's a new product, but let me show you guys the afters. Very clean. You can see that my hair looks more rich, and that's what you want. You don't want your hair to look dry, dusty, and faded. You want it to look rich, and that's what an ACV rinse does. That's what the shampoo does. Obviously, I need to go back and separate and do like some sort of retwist so that my hair doesn't start combining as it dries. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Now rate it, 1 to 10. I'm gonna have you guys switch up your ratings. You can go edit your comments down below. See how it hangs a little bit better when it's washed? Man, my hair looks cool. Y'all look like a, what is it? Is it a wide receiver or tied into as a dreadlocks? Which one? Y'all let me know. Anyway, I'm gonna be in a football commercial pretty soon. Stay tuned. Look at this, y'all, look at that. Woo. Woo. Look at this right here. Whew. My hair is growing really fast, and I got a secret that I'm gonna release to you guys very soon about that. Anyway, let's go do the retwist, man.
Comment down below if you want to see how to fully retwist all of your locks by yourself without using any duct clips. And don't forget that the ACV shampoo from Great Locks is a limited stock, so if you want to use the shampoo for yourself, make sure to order it now. I'll see you guys soon.